Hey guys, it's me, Lindsay, and today I'm going to be going over my top 5 colorful eyeshadow palettes. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start out with the one I've used the most and my favorite palette ever. This is one of the most colorful palettes in the entire lineup. And this is the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Bright Lights palette. And as you can see, mine is very, very well loved. It has beautiful neons, very blendable, some pressed glitters. I don't really use the pressed glitters that much, but you can see which shades I love. Plus there's this beautiful shimmery light teal. So this is really good. And it is only $25. You get it on pinkyrosecosmetics.com. And it is amazing. It's got amazing neon. If you're just starting to want to put some color into your life and you're a little scared of color, here's a good palette to start out with if you like the shades pink, purple, and green. This is the Lizzie McGuire What Dreams Are Made Of palette by Colourpop. And this is the inside. And these shades are absolutely beautiful. I really love them all. And they've also got some neutrals and just regular tones on top. This one is only $22. And this is really good for dipping your toes in. There is one pressed glitter. It's just orange. You don't have to use that one. But all these other shades. My favorite shade in the palette is probably this sparkly chartreuse tone. And I really love pretty much this row and these two. I don't use these two as much as I should, but they're really pretty. And if you love Lizzie McGuire, if you grew up with her, like I did, it's an added bonus, but it's just really cute. Another Colourpop palette that I'm not sure is discontinued or not, but I got this a while back, but they've got other blue palettes too. This is the Blue Moon eyeshadow palette, and it's only $14. And here's some blues for you. This is a really good formula. They've got other monochromatic palettes. This is just the only one I have. They have like a purple one, a yellow one. Oh, so like if you want just one type of colors, I think they have a green too. For $14, you can't beat this. And Colourpop is just an amazing formula, and you can even find Colourpop at Ulta. So if you don't want to order online, if you want to get something at the store, I would recommend the brand Colourpop if you're wanting to start out. This is the shade Immaculate, this purple. And then this is the shade Simping, this pink. I think the names are funny too. And Michaela is a TikToker if you're wondering, and she's the nicest ever. And these are so pigmented. This is really good if you're like already got some colorful shades in palettes in your collection and just want something new. You should really pick this up, because I think $42 for a palette like this is cheap. It's beautiful. It's got glitter on the front. It comes with a full-size mirror, and you can't pass this up. It is stunning. And I will add, other people on YouTube that I watch rave about the Glam Light formula. So if you don't like this color story, they've got other ones, and I want some of the other ones now. They're turning into one of my favorite brands. But I think the only drawback is they're only sold online. So sorry about that. This is probably the hardest one to get, this next eyeshadow palette, because it's the hardest to get because you have to order it online, and shipping takes a while because it's a Swedish brand, indie brand. But this is gorgeous for pastels. And this is the Odins Eye Alpha 2 eyeshadow palette. It's beautiful. It's the theme is Norse mythology. I don't know anything about that, but I just think these pastels are beautiful. These four right here are my favorite colors. It does have 2 pressed glitters, but these pressed glitters are so fine, they've never irritated my eyes. And I use some pressed glitters, but not like really chunky ones anymore. This is just absolutely beautiful. The best shade is this shade Aquamarine. I don't have a pastel blue like this in my collection. It is so, the formula is amazing. And then another pretty shade, if you like, well, another pretty everyday shade is this shade up here, Crystal. Trying to make sure I use a clean finger. And it is a little flaky, but it is like a champagne-y, orangey with a shift. It is so pretty. And if you haven't discovered indie brands yet, I feel like the indie brands that are only online are making the best color stories for colorful palettes. So far, Sephora and Ulta kind of disappoint me with their colorful palettes that's in store besides Colourpop. This is what I recommend, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until I see you next time. Bye-bye.